What a beautiful day at the beach.
Hi, I'm Yogi Elsa. Welcome to Yoga Time.
Hello, Elsa. Hello.
Let's all become superheroes with some superhero yoga. But first, let's all stand up. In order to transform into our superhero selves, we need to say our special yoga word. Namaste. Let's do a big clap. Clap.
Namaste.
Whoa! Super job! Let's start by getting the super energy we need with super breath. So, we need our super breathing ball. Each time we breathe in through our nose, our super breathing ball is gonna get bigger. So let's take 3 big sniffing breaths in through our nose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Feel all that super energy inside your belly. Let it go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Feel all that super energy inside your belly. Let it go. Wow, I feel as strong as a super warrior. Now, let's use all that super strength in our yoga pose, Warrior 1. So let's pretend there's a big, huge rock in front of us.
That's right.
But in order to pick up the rock, we need a proper super stance. So let's step 1 foot in front of us and the other foot way back behind us. This is too far, and this is too close. We want a stance just about this wide. Now, in order for our super stance to work, we need to bend our front knee. Let's make sure our knee is in line with our ankle. So do I want to bend it this much? No. And I don't want to bend it this much either. I want it just about here. Now, make sure your front toes are pointing forward and your hips are pointing forward. Now, let's bend over and grab that giant heavy rock and lift it all the way up over our head. All the way up to the sky. Wow, look at how strong we are. Let's say I am strong on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I am strong. That was super awesome, my fellow superheroes. Today, we learned how to get the strength we need with super breath, and then we used all that super energy in our yoga pose, Warrior 1. Let's do a big clap. Clap. Namaste. I'm Yogi Elsa. We'll see.
Yay!
Hey! What's that? Wait for me! I don't have super speed!
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.
That was fun.